If you haven't already, hit that like button and subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss any of our future videos.
Aloha, our keto friends. We are so excited to be in the kitchen. We are making keto Twinkies. Hey Kai, what's your favorite restaurant to go to? Agave. Agave Kitchen is a restaurant in Hudson, Wisconsin, in this cute little neighborhood, this really cute, quaint street. And on the menu, they have a keto menu, don't they?
I know.
And you like their tacos, right? Well, they also have a Twinkie, and Craig saw a Twinkie on the menu, and he just thought it was like a dessert because they have some non-keto things. But no, the people next to you got Twinkies, and they are basically this. We're gonna make it for you, and this recipe is in the Ketogenic Cookbook. And remember, if you share these recipes, these YouTube videos with your friends, you could win one of these books. So yeah, this is in the Ketogenic Cookbook right here. They're super good. It's like a Twinkie because it has a creamy inside filling, all right? So what we're going to do, we have 3 jalapenos, okay, boys? I'm going to cut them open. Micah, could you cut open? We have chorizo. We're using Peterson Farms chorizo. We love this nice small company. And if you order with the link below, you get like $60 off your order. And they're the only place that has no sugar in their bacon that's actually affordable. So Micah is going to open up the chorizo, and you can open up their bacon. And their chorizo doesn't have sugar either, which is pretty rare. Okay, so Kai, you open up the cream cheese, and I'm going to open up my Twinkies. So I'm just going to cut the top off the Twinkies. I'm going to cut open the Twinkies. I'm crazy. The jalapenos. I'm cutting these open. Kai, you and that cream cheese, you can never get it. And I'm going to open these up like this, and I'm going to grab a spoon here, and I'm going to take out the inside, because guess what? I am a German girl that does not like a lot of spice, so I'm going to take all of the seeds out. And the more of the membrane of that vein you take out, the less spicy it will be too, okay? So that's what we're going to do with these, and I'm going to make one of them. Should we make all 3 of them?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
All right. We'll eat them. They're delicious. And what I like to do, I put parchment on my rimmed baking sheet, and I have my air fryer on, but if you don't have an air fryer, you could turn your oven on to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Thanks, buddy. That is perfect. Kai, I'm going to take over with the cream cheese because you and that cream cheese just do not get along. I don't think you open it well in any video. Look at this. Ta-da! All right, so I am going to take my spoon and some of this cream cheese, and I'm going to fill the jalapenos with this cream cheese, and then I'm going to put them together, okay? So I am going to fill them, and then I'm going to use a little bit of the Redmond garlic salt. Be careful when you buy garlic powder, garlic salt, onion powder, onion salt, because a lot of times there's gluten added to them. Not good.
Yeah.
So you're going to put these together like they're kissing. All right. And
Like a normal.
that is going to, yeah, so it looks like a normal jalapeno. This is going to be your creamy stuffed filling. And then you're going to take some chorizo.
And wrap it around.
And yeah, wrap it around it. The Twinkie I have on my blog uses shredded pork. The one in here uses chorizo. You could use beef if you don't eat pork, and then use beef bacon. That works. Beef bacon is delicious. Micah loves venison bacon. Kai does not like any bacon. Right. I think you just say that to be the oddball out.
No, I don't like it.
You don't like it? So we're going to make a Twinkie shape. All right. I just did a podcast with a woman in France, and she didn't know what a Twinkie was. Or I told her about Superman's birthday party and how we made him Hostess cupcakes. What are those called?
Debbie's?
Little Debbie's. Yeah, thanks, Micah. How we made him Little Debbie's, and she's like, I don't know what that is. I was like, well, that's a good thing. Unless you make mine, then they're really good, aren't they?
Yeah.
Superman loved them. So now, thanks, Micah, that's perfect. Now what you're going to do is take a piece of bacon or two and wrap it around the Twinkie. And we're probably going to need 2 pieces. Yep. We'll take one more. The more bacon, the better, right, bud? Mm-hmm.
For me, no.
For you know. What'd you have for lunch, Micah? Chicken wings.
Chicken wings.
And
From Barker's.
Yeah, if you like chicken wings, you should check out Kai's chicken wing video, right? It's really good. So there we go. We have our Twinkie, yummy Twinkie, and I'm going to put that, if you have toothpicks, you can seal them or just put it down like that. And now this is going to go into our air fryer. I'm going to continue on and do some more because Micah said we should make 3. We should make 3. All right. And what do we have on the stove back here? Our lasagna?
Yep.
Yep, we're always cooking that, aren't we, boys?
Yeah.
All right. I have a mess out of this, but if I leave the vein, Daddy will eat it. It'll be very, very spicy. He won't like that. But this is how simple it is. You think he might? This is
Very spicy stuff.
He does like spicy stuff. But this is how simple it is. It's just bacon, chorizo, or whatever you got, beef, ground beef, shredded pork. Shredded pork was probably my favorite way to make it. It's just a little bit tricky. And then you need some jalapenos and some garlic salt. That's it. And then you bake them in the oven until the bacon is crispy and the chorizo's cooked, and we'll catch you back in a little bit.
Bye. Bye.
All right, everybody, so our Twinkies are done. They're absolutely delicious, let me tell you, and they look really cute too. So if you like jalapeno poppers, but you want to make them more into a meal, you must try these Twinkies. And if you are looking for a sauce, if you're like Mommy, Mommy likes sauce, don't I? I love sauce, and Primal Kitchen has these wonderful sauces. They have ranch, and buffalo sauce that would go really good with this Twinkie. And if you use the code Maria, you get 20% off your order, which is really, really cool. But what do you guys want to say?
Cook with your friends.
Cook with your friends and cook with your kids and just have fun in the kitchen. It might get a little bit more messy, especially with this one, but it's fun, right?
Yeah.
Mahalo, everyone.
Mahalo.
Sharing is caring. Share this video with your friends.